Three, two, one.
Here we are. How is everyone doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good night, wherever you are. So I want to start off by saying I've been out a little while. I had the big, C19. I don't want to say it because YouTube likes to ban everybody who says anything about it. But I'll tell you, it was no fun. No fun whatsoever. One of the worst times of my life, really. And I'm back. So let's go over some stuff. Man, it's been a minute, but the crypto markets have been booming. And I also found a new project called Cadena, and a lot of people are talking about it, and it seems like it might be something good. I'll probably put a video together here pretty soon. Do me a favor, please, if you're watching this right now, hit subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys are in and what projects you like. Like what meme coins do you like? What solid coins do you like? Anything. Tell me to go fuck myself. Anything you want. But hit that fucking like button, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Please and thank you. So here we are. The overall crypto market cap is at 2.79 trillion. Yo, whenever we was here last time, that shit was at like 2.1. We are growing, and I got a couple stories about this mass adoption. Everybody is getting on board. This is the perfect time to be alive. We are getting a chance to create generational wealth. We are getting a chance to change our lives. We are getting a chance to control our finances and do things that we probably thought was never possible. I mean, I've been doing things that I thought was never possible because of crypto. I went to Florida last year. In May, it was some of the funnest times of my life. You don't get this shit if you're just sitting around doing nothing. Let's go. Buy up some crypto. Learn what it's about. Learn about the projects that you do like and what blockchain technology could possibly do in the future. It's possible that it could change everything. So, Bitcoin's sitting at 64,000. Ethereum at $4,600. Look at Solana's coming in at number 5 now. Cardano at 205. XRP at $1.19. Dogecoin 25 cents. Look at Shiba. It had another little pump yesterday, and I found something, y'all. Wait till I show you. Actually, let's just get into it. The Fear and Greed Index is at 82. It's at extreme greed. So at what point do we maybe want to sell some? To be honest with you, I preach about dollar cost averaging in. There's nothing wrong with dollar cost averaging out. So bam, this is what I was just talking about. 4% of Americans who profited from crypto investing have quit their jobs. Crypto gave them a reason not to work. The poll conducted by the consumer intelligence platform Civic Science added that a further 7% of the participants know someone who has quit their job because they have accumulated crypto profits. When taking a closer look, the large proportion of the individuals taking that decision are those in the lowest income brackets, and 64% were people receiving not more than $50 per year. On the other hand, only 8% of those earning over $150,000 a year have done that. So, and that's another thing to think of. I'm already poor. I don't know what your situation is, but we're poor. Our taxes ain't going to be that bad. I am in the lowest tax bracket. And look at taxes as a privilege. I can't wait for the day that I got to pay a whole bunch of taxes because that means I made a whole bunch of money. Like, fuck it. That's just the way the rules are. That's the way it is, and I'm okay with it. So, Mark Cuban's in here. The American billionaire Cuban shared the results on his Twitter account. He hinted that the percentage might increase in the future due to the recent rally of most cryptos. So subsequently, they asked those who are crypto investors willing to become or explain why they're dealing with the asset class. The top answer with 28% was long-term growth investment. 23% said they expected short-term gains. Other reasons were independence from government involvement, with 12% and hedge against adverse economic conditions. Come on now. 11% of the votes. Not surprisingly, the younger age groups have demonstrated much more acceptance towards Bitcoin and the altcoins. To those under 35, the digital asset market looks rather promising, since 36% of them expect their crypto investments to make them wealthier than their parents. This percentage dropped sharply to 6% when speaking to people above 55 years old. American youngsters and their approach towards crypto. According to another survey, around 40% of Americans under 29 feel confident when investing in crypto. At the same time, the elderly expressed almost no desire to enter the market. Millennials, particularly those who are millionaires, are the most active group to operate in the asset class. Nearly 50% of them responded that they had allocated at least 1/4 of their portfolio into crypto. Furthermore, 30% have staked 50% or more. The president of Spectrum Group explained why the younger generations find it so tempting. The younger investors jumped on early when it was not as well known. They were more intellectually engaged with the idea, even though it was new. The old investors and the boomers cannot understand whether investing in digital currencies is legit. As such, they are further behind on the understanding. It's like I said, get an understanding of this. Understand the projects you're in. Do your research. Now check this out. Shib has just got a fucking... They're just burning everything. Let's just burn a coin here. Let's burn a coin here. Let's create NFTs and burn these motherfuckers and burn this motherfucker and that motherfucker. They're just burning. Burning. Hold on. Sorry about that. But they are. So check this out. I'm just going to let it play and show you guys how this works.
Like most of you, we believe in Shiba Inu. That's why Bigger Entertainment has created music playlists to help increase the value of Shib. Every time that a listener discovers our music playlists, up to 20% of our music royalties will go towards Shib coin burns. To understand how this works, let's take a look at what coin burning is and why it is a good thing for Shib.
I'm just going to let them do their thing.
Cryptocurrency, like anything in today's market, fluctuates based on supply and demand. Coin burning is a process where coins are removed from circulation to regulate the supply. To illustrate this, say there are 100 one-of-a-kind Babe Ruth autographed baseballs in the world. The value of these are $25,000 each. If 50 of these baseballs are destroyed, that would cut the existing supply in half, which, in turn, would increase the value of the remaining 50 baseballs. Similarly, there is a finite amount of Shib coin in circulation today. As these coins are burned, the supply decreases, which leads to an increase in value for the remaining coins. This increased value will naturally drive the demand higher, which will in turn continue to increase the value of each Shib coin that you hold. Now that we've covered how burning works, let's illustrate how Bigger Entertainment is playing a part in this. We are working with artists within the Shib community to create streaming playlists. For each stream or digital song played on the streaming platforms, we are paid a very small fee. As these payouts come in, we acquire Shib coins that are immediately sent to the dead wallet where the coins are burned and taken out of circulation. This decreases the supply and increases the value and demand. It's that simple. So how can you help? Easy. Go to biggerentertainment.com/Shib to select your store and discover our playlists. As you listen, follow, and like, you will be burning Shib. The more listeners that we get, the more we can burn. This will allow you to play a significant role in the success of Shib, while also discovering new music that you may love. This is my day, this is my night, this is my pain, this is my life, this is what I was born to do.
Alright, so this is in nothing now. But how fucking awesome is that? So you go here, right? You pick which one, like I gotta use Spotify. Bam. So, you know, I'm already followed them. I'm not gonna, I mean, so far there really isn't too many like known artists. There's this guy, Stephen Cooper, and he's doing his thing, helping Shib, and I guess he does a little bit of music, so there's a bunch of different type music. Still, I think this is pretty cool. Anyways, moving on. So yeah, look at that, man. It's automatically burning Shib. Are you kidding me? You kidding me? They're gonna get Shib up there, man. Shib is gonna just keep burning and keep burning and keep burning and keep burning. NFTs, music, everywhere. They're putting burn features in everywhere. You have to own some of this. You have to. So I seen something else. New England Patriots signed with Ethereum fan token platform Socios. The Patriots are the first, bingo, first NFL team to partner with the firm, although no fan token is dropping for now at least. So the NFL New England Patriots have signed with them. Socios, the biggest player in a multi-billion-dollar crypto fan token market, is just aligned with one of the NFL's biggest teams. Today, they announced a marketing deal with Kraft Sports and Entertainment, owner of the National Football League's Patriots, and Major League Soccer's New England Revolution, to bring both clubs on its platform. And it's the first team from either American Sports League to sign with Socios. However, Socios did not announce a fan token for either the Patriots or the Revolution. Essentially, the companies have entered into a marketing and fan engagement arrangement that will take form of user votes with prizes in Socios.com app, as well as Patriots website activations. In-stadium signage and official sponsorship of the team's practice field house. Similar associates will sponsor the Revolution's training center. So this Socios, which I'm not really familiar with, which I should be, they're going to another crypto thing like FTX that's involved with sports. It's going to have their name up everywhere. And I don't know about you, but I've been seeing crypto.com stuff everywhere. Everywhere. Everywhere I go, I see crypto.com coin or crypto.com ads. So officially licensed crypto fan tokens are a big business with an estimated $2.5 billion in trading volume over the last 30 days. So per data from CryptoSlam, whatever CryptoSlam is, I'm going to check this out later. Come on, bro. I don't want to do that. So Socios have signed numerous other U.S. sports teams in recent months, including such teams as the Lakers, the Bulls, and NHL's New Jersey Devils. However, outside the United States, they have launched numerous crypto fan tokens via Ethereum-based Chiliz that's a solid project. Token platform which uses a custom side chain to mint fan tokens. The website lists 43 currently live tokens, including the F1 racing teams and various sports clubs. I just wanted to show this because this is just showing you that mass adoption. People are buying and everyone is getting in. Football teams, once these institutions start buying football, I mean, everybody and their mother. And Michael Saylor seems to think that Bitcoin's just going to keep going up forever. So let's see what he's talking about. He believes that Bitcoin will continue to become more and more valuable if governments around the world continue with inflationary fiscal policies. In a new interview with CNBC, Saylor explains that he thinks the flagship cryptocurrency will go up forever due to its cap supply, which cannot increase regardless of demand and price. Let's see. If you're interested in this, you can get on here and check it out. I'm not going to go through all that. So my point is that there's never going to be more than 21 billion Bitcoin. So it's a very fixed supply. It's the only scarcity that anybody can invest in the world. Every other asset that you can buy as an inflation hedge, like real estate or stocks or gold or commodities, all of those things have a supply that's going to increase as the price goes up. But you can't increase the supply of Bitcoin. He also says there is a correlation between the price of Bitcoin going up while inflation causes the value of traditional currencies to decline. If you look at the world currencies, they have been inflating at 10% or more a year for the past 30 years, maybe as much as 14% a year. You can expect they'll keep inflating for the next 30 years. And so Bitcoin, measured in currencies of the world and the currency of derivatives, it's just going to keep going up with volatility, albeit. Saylor also argues against the notion that gold is scarce, saying that the supply of gold is not fit. We're not here for gold. He said Bitcoin is the dominant digital monetary network. It became its dominant, and because it is fixed, it means that the most reliable, highest integrity, scarcest thing in the financial universe. Bitcoin is going up forever. I don't really believe that. I think we're going to hit a bear market. I've never really been involved in a bear market, but we're going to see what happens. So look, y'all, I'm happy to be back. I've kicked the COVID and, kicked it in its ass, and I'm back. So I need you, if you made it through this whole video, what can we put in there? What can I do? What can I do? If we get 10 people to comment #crypto in the comments, I will pick one person and send them $100 in crypto. But we need 10 people to put #crypto. And I got you. So I'm going to end this, y'all, and I'm going to do my best to start getting these out a lot more. I appreciate everyone. Please hit subscribe, like, and comment. Thank you.